Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily record 8K 60 FPS video on GoPro Mission 1 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and make sure that your camera is turned on. What are we gonna do is we're gonna swipe to the left, and here we want to choose our ways. So we're gonna choose the video. Once we are in the video, let me quickly just hold it up. Here, what are we gonna do is we're gonna apply the settings. So we have to click on the video right here. We got the resolution, so we're gonna switch it to 8K. And once we switch to 8K, it will automatically be at 60 frames per second. So now we can leave, and as you guys can see, we got 8K 60 FPS video on our GoPro Mission 1 Pro. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.